Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy James. I'm back at it with yet again another video for you. So in this one here today, I'm going to be showing you how you can be getting free TikTok likes, followers, comments, you name it, and views of course as well. So what you want to do, just grab your phone and open up your browser. So in this case, we're just going to use Safari, and you're going to go to the following website, which is mobilenerds.net/TikTok. Okay, so just like that, mobilenerds.net/TikTok. Okay, and just go to that website there, and basically guys, all you need to do here, okay, it's gonna basically apply everything to the most recent posts on your TikTok account. So all you need is the username. So in this case, you would just enter in a username. I've already done this here today, so I'm just gonna add in the default one that they have there. Okay, so basically as soon as you add in your username, ladies and gentlemen, all right, you're just going to go through with this whole process here and just follow step by step. It's real simple, real easy. So there again, this works on Android and iOS, but I recommend the mobile device can be the easiest. So just tap on proceed there, and basically it's going to find your username, and it's going to pull the most recent posts, and it's really fast. Typically that might depend on your internet though, but basically you're going to see this screen here saying congrats. You can blast the most recent post on the profile, and in this case I put in 24-hour success, but you would put in your actual username there. And basically to send the views, likes, comments, and followers, you're going to need to take one additional step so that they know that you're human. So all you got to do is tap on blast my account, and as you can see here, it says all the likes, comments, and followers will be applied or added to your account after the last step. So just tap on blast my account there, and you're gonna be taken to this page here. Basically says the exact same thing. So all you got to do here on this screen to verify everything is you got to download and run 2 free apps below to complete the verification for the TikTok Blaster. All right, so the profile is going to start receiving likes, views, comments, and followers upon completion. Real simple, real easy. Honestly, should only take you a couple of minutes. So just try this out. And if for some odd reason you're having issues with this, just let me know in the comment section down below, guys. I'll help you out as soon as I can. But so in this case, you got the application name and the instructions there. So as you can see here, we have IRL social calendar. You got to download and sign up to unlock this content, or Norton Secure VPN. Download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds to unlock this content. Now I'm going to assume everything on this page might be a little bit different for you, but it's real simple. You just do the 2 applications. So you tap on that free button, and it's going to redirect you to the Google Play Store or the App Store, depending on your device. In this case, it's going to take me to the App Store because I'm on an iPhone. But as you can see here, basically if you don't have the application, you'll download and install it, and then just open up the application. Okay, and as it said on that page there, all right, you're going to need to use this application for 30 seconds. Okay, so basically just stay in the application for 30 seconds, go back to your browser, and download and install the second application. You'll be good to go. So basically, like I said, I've already done this here today, so I'm not going to do this whole thing. But what you would do now is you go back to your browser, download and install the second application. It's going to redirect you again. Download and install it if you don't have the app already. Open it up. Okay, be on the application for whatever the instructions are. So for Stash, all you got to do is create an account and register. It's seriously so easy. And as soon as you're done that, make sure you come back to your browser, so this page again, and it's just going to redirect you and let you know that the followers and everything else is inbound. So if you guys found this video helpful, please be sure to leave a thumbs up, comment down in the comment section below letting others know, and subscribe to my channel for future content. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and take care. Peace.